Welcome crypto traders to another TradingView tutorial series. Today we are looking at the indicators, metrics, and strategies menu. Check out our mouse here at the top of the chart. We're going to go ahead and click this button, and just like that, the indicators, metrics, and strategies menu opens up. A few key things to pay attention to. This search box, you can type in any term that you're interested in and it will suddenly appear here before you, like so, and you can scroll down. You may even notice community scripts. These are scripts coded by traders and investors around the world. You can see their username as well as the number of likes and boosts. You can read the code behind such script or read more about it. We will tell you more about this soon, but for now, why don't we just add this moving average simple to our chart? So we click, and just like that, the moving average has been added to our chart. Once an indicator is added to your chart, you can double click it to open up its settings menu. Or if you prefer, at the top left of your chart, you will see the indicator that's been added, also with some buttons that you can click to make some customizations. You can hide it or show it. You can open the settings menu. In addition, you can actually examine the code behind this indicator. So we want to make sure that we show you that again. So let us hide this. You can see these brackets here. This is the indicators, SMA. Here are the brackets. We click, and now we can see the actual code behind the indicator. Every indicator on TradingView is written in something called PineScript. That is the proprietary language of TradingView. So if you're interested in coding or want to get started, if you want to edit the code or make your own adjustments or see how other people have adjusted the code, this is where it all starts and begins. And this offers full and complete transparency into all of the indicators on TradingView. If you want to know how these indicators are designed, built, and coded, it's all there for you. So if we double click the settings menu, we can also make this indicator exactly what we want. It's a daily chart. Why don't we make a 100-day moving average? So we type in 100 and click OK, and it instantly recalculates and appears on our chart. Why don't we now change the color? So we can go to style, and now we can adjust this indicator to any style or color that we want. So you just saw it change colors. Let's make the line thicker. Now we have this purple line here right on our chart. Now a few more key things to remind you about the indicators, metrics, and strategies menu is that when you are ready to favorite and build your own custom list, you can press the star icon to make a favorites list. So check this out. We are going to favorite this AutoFib extension. Now click our favorites, and here's AutoFib extension. So we are creating our own custom favorites menu that is saved to our profile and right here for us every time we log back in. There are also automated strategies. There are also volume profiles, which study the unique relationship between volume and price. This is a very important study into markets. There are also automatic patterns. Let us quickly tell you what automatic patterns are. Automatic patterns automatically detect and find specific patterns and technical analysis on your chart. If you scroll down, you'll see candlestick patterns. Automatic candlestick patterns find and detect traditional candlesticks and technical analysis and show them on your chart. Now we just have added both to our chart, so we're going to exit out of the menu. In addition, we're actually going to remove the simple moving average here. We just want to show you the automatic chart patterns indicator and automatic candlestick indicator. And what you'll notice here is you can see that the chart patterns indicator has already found some automatic patterns, a rising wedge, a falling wedge, and the candlestick, automatic candlestick pattern indicator has found a doji here, as well as some other candlesticks in the study and analysis of candlesticks as well. And this is all available to you from the indicators, metrics, and strategies menu. So we look forward to seeing you get started, diving in, and please let us know if you have any questions by visiting our help center down here at the bottom right.